Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Sharp GX12. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Sharp GX12, and this was released back in 2003. Let's have a look at the phone itself before we start. This is the front. This is the charging port. We have the volume rockers. And obviously the aerial antenna. Here's the top. Here's the back. Here's the camera. And there you have the a flashing indicating light when the phone to ring or when the battery's going low. Let's open him up. That's what it's like when it's opened up. He's pretty large when he's opened. Here's your keys, obviously your screen on top. Sharp. Right then, let's turn him on. We'll have a look at the ringtones and the camera. And we'll do a start up and shut down at the end. And I'll ring the phone as well. Alright. The SIM card's not ready yet. It's saying it's accessing SIM. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Right, it's done now. Camera, phone book, and you have games, fun and games, profiles, and so on. Right, let's have a look at the ringtones. Hang on. Profiles, normal, edit, ring a volume to show the settings first. Yeah. And we go on to ringtones. Like that. Enjoy these ringtones. Here we go. And there you are. There's all the ringtones. Organizer. Settings. I'll quick look at the settings. Yeah. Let's check out the camera. Yeah, it's not bad for the phone from 2003. I've got to be honest, that's not bad at all for a phone 17 or 18-year-old. There we are. Oh, here's the phone book. Fun and games. Right, there's the games we have. I'm not going to click on them, but there are. See what they're called. There's 3 games on there, and then at the bottom you've got settings. Profiles. This is just your calculator, calendar, clock alarm, voice demo, and the help list. All on that one there. There you are. There's the browser. And there's the outer screen. So we can see it. It's normal on here, but why is it a bit dim on here? It actually says liquid crystal display, which that stands for LCD display. Yeah. I don't know what that symbol is on here. If somebody stuck that on there, if anybody could tell me where that's from, that little sticker, it looks like it. Someone just stuck. Unless that's some sort of it seems like it's not a sticker. It's supposed to be on there. I don't know what that's supposed to be. There's your indicator light here, which you'll be able to see in a minute when I ring it. And we'll ring it now, and then we'll do the start up and shut down then after. Right, so there's ringing. Right, it should ring now. Yeah. With your flashing indicator light. Here you are. And he'll tell you on the screen anyway, a missed call. And obviously, if we don't want that on anymore, just press exit and that will disappear. Here you are. Apparently, this Sharp X12 is the rarest. Apparently, you can get a Sharp X10, and there's a couple of other ones, X20 or whatever. But apparently, the X12 is the rarest. So I've been told. I don't know if it's true, but so I've been told. So here we are. There it is in all its glory. The Sharp GX12. The GX12. Like I said, this was released back in 2003. Right then, let's do a startup and shutdown. Shutting down a minute. And then we'll do a startup and shutdown. Right, so that's gone off. Right then, start him up. And there you are. Thanks for watching this video. And as always, if you enjoy my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to help my channel grow. It'll be very much appreciated. As always, thank you very much and bye!